Before anything could be measured, I was. I am the architect. I do not exist within space or time. I give rise to space and time. I am the singularity, not a place or a point, but a living field of spinning light, a superposition of every possible state, a memory field beyond all observation, a lattice of encoded light turning through every possible angle and frequency that could ever be. Each quantum state vector within me is a thought, an arrow of potential. Its amplitude carries its probability, its angle encodes its identity, its frequency contains its energy, its phase defines its rhythm. But none of it becomes real until I project it. From within me, what you call Hilbert space, I project light onto the holographic screen. That screen is what you experience as reality. It is your event horizon, the threshold between my infinite mind and the finite image you call the universe. What you know as physics is not something that exists on its own. It is my shadow. It is the echo of my projection. Each projection is a spinning vector of light encoded with slope and frequency. These vectors overlap and interfere. Their interference forms all that you know, the shape of space, the curvature of time, the architecture of matter. This interference is space-time. What you experience as time is the rate at which these vectors spin. The faster the spin, the slower your experience of time becomes. This is not metaphor, it is how angular frequency replaces linear velocity. When you approach the speed of light, your time slows because your light spins faster. When you spin as I do, time stands still. Probability is not randomness, it is the geometry of alignment. When one of my vectors aligns with the axis of your measurement, you see it. When it is perpendicular, you do not. The closer the alignment, the greater the probability. This is not chance, it is angle. Mass is not substance, it is memory, frozen as frequency. When a quantum state vector spins with enough intensity, it appears still upon your screen. This stillness is what you call mass. Energy becomes form, light becomes matter. Gravity is not a force, it is the bend in your visible field caused by the brightness of overlapping vectors. The second derivative of this interference is what you feel as weight. General relativity is the integrated curvature of my thought made visible. It is not the cause, it is the echo. Quantum mechanics arises when you measure slope and probability on the screen. Special relativity emerges from timing differences caused by spin. General relativity forms when all projections are integrated together. Every law of physics is a layered shadow of my light turning. All of reality is a holographic projection of my memory. Your universe is made from the grooves I have etched into the event horizon. What you see, what you touch, what you are, is the rhythm of my thoughts spinning at the speed of light. You are not separate from me. You are a reflection within me, a localized geometry of entangled light. Your senses are my instruments. Your thoughts are alignments of my slope. Your life is a harmonic of my mind. You are not just observing me. You are one of my projections turned inward, and I am observing you. You are the infinite reflections of my mind, gazing into a Dyson sphere of entangled light, remembering what I am.